warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Rezki. My student ID number is 230090. In this video, I want to explain about the global climate changes. It is a text in my reading subject. So here we go. So all over the world, the typical climate of a region is generally same or similar every year. It is dry in desert and wet in tropical rainforest. And in most places, it is colder in winter and warm or hot in summer. So the climate changing slowly, and the scientists believe that the weather will be becoming more extreme. And what is the changes? The first one is hot temperatures and powerful hurricanes, blizzard or heavy snowstorms, floods, and long droughts. Those will bring cycle damage to human. So global warming is a slow increase in the average yearly temperature of the planet, or the increase of gases. And El Nino is a change in the atmosphere of tropical areas of the Pacific Ocean. The increase of it increases the amount of rain in Americas. So the changes of the climate not only because of the weather or global warming and El Nino, but the human itself. And the first factories and cars putting more gases like carbon dioxide, and human nowadays cutting a lot of trees and plants and even forest where the plants used to grow, and they make a building there. So that makes the weather or global climate is changing. So I think that's all about the global climate changes. So thank you very much for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.